Press the On button to access the home screen. Now press the Quick Edit button to access the QR control of the oven. Scan the QR code on the oven to link the external device to the oven's Wi-Fi network. Now press the Down button on the oven to scan the QR to access the web server, and use the QR control. Scan the Access QR on the screen, and click on the link to access Quick Editing. Page with the general connection status of the oven will appear. Now click on Go to the recipe book. Go to the categories in the recipe book of the oven, and click on the category in which you want to add a new recipe. In this case, click on the snack category. Within the category, the recipes belonging to the category will appear. In this menu you can create or edit recipes. In this case, click on Create New Recipe. The Recipe Parameters section will be accessed, where the temperature, time, humidity and turbine speed sections can be modified. If we click on the Preheat tab, we can activate or deactivate the preheating phase and configure the temperature and turbine speed of this phase. By clicking on the Edit option in the top right corner, we can edit and name the recipe. By clicking on Add Phase, we can add and configure one more phase to the recipe. A total of 3 different phases can be configured in each recipe. Click on Delete Phase to delete the phase. Finally, click on Save Recipe to store it in the internal memory of the oven. Now, from the oven interface, press the back button to display the new recipe added to the oven.